Whalebone also offers cloud resolvers with malware protection and content blocking. Their addresses are to be found in the Whalebone portal in the Cloud Resolver tab. You can use them directly as primary or secondary resolvers or as a backup to your existing local resolver. It's not rocket science to use them. First of all, type in your public IP ranges you want to direct to the cloud resolvers. Afterward, all you need to do is set the Whalebone Cloud Resolver address as the DNS server address in your network. As with the local resolvers, you can create different policies and assign them to individual IP addresses or ranges. This allows you to offer Whalebone to institutions such as schools, which don't necessarily get their connectivity from you, but you administer their network. After having saved and directed the traffic, you're good to go. Just wait for the changes to be propagated to your clients.